What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and today we're going to be talking ingredients. Now you can see on every packaging includes this, includes that. That's great, but you might not know why it's included. Here's everything that you're going to need to know to make the right decision for you. First up is biotin. Now biotin is a building block of keratin, which is responsible for healthy hair growth. When ingested, it's not only good for healthy hair growth, but it also helps for amazing skin and nails. Now when it's applied directly to your hair follicles, it's amazing for thickening your hair and also provides incredible volume. Next one is coal tar, and if you have dandruff or flakes, this one definitely needs to be on your radar. Coal tar has been proven to be the best ingredient for not only eliminating flakes, but making sure they stay gone. That's the reason we jam-pack coal tar into our anti-dandruff shampoo. If you have flakes or dandruff, you're definitely going to want to make sure to grab a shampoo jam-packed with coal tar. Next up is argan oil, and argan oil is amazing for moisturizing your hair. It's going to leave your hair softer, shinier, and stronger. If you're looking for an amazing hair treatment, grab something with argan oil. Next up is sea kelp that we include in our sea salt spray. Now, is it true that sea salt can dry out your hair? Yes, but any good pre-styler is going to include sea kelp because it's an incredible moisturizing agent. That way you get all the benefits of the salt without any of the dryness. Last but not least is tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is a naturally sourced ingredient that's amazing for removing excess oils, dirt, grime, anything you can think of from your hair. It also smells amazing. That is it, guys. That's our rundown on ingredients. Now the next time you're checking out the amazing products from Pete and Pedro, you'll know exactly what you want.